Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply a binomial by a trinomial using the extended distribution method. This is a fundamental skill in algebra that builds upon basic multiplication principles. Before we begin, let's clarify our terms. A binomial is a polynomial with exactly two terms, like x plus 5. A trinomial has exactly three terms, such as x squared plus 3x plus 4. Our goal is to multiply these two expressions together. The core concept here is distribution. The rule is simple. Every single term in the first polynomial must be multiplied by every single term in the second polynomial. You can visualize this as arrows connecting each term from the first group to every term in the second group. To make this process manageable and avoid mistakes, we use the split and distribute strategy. We split the first binomial into its individual parts. Then, we write each part next to the full trinomial. This breaks one big problem into two smaller, easier distribution problems. Let's apply this to a real example involving positive numbers. We have the binomial x plus 2 multiplied by the trinomial x squared plus 3x plus 1. We will start by identifying our binomial terms, x and 2. First, we split the binomial. We write x times the trinomial plus 2 times the trinomial. Next, we perform the multiplication. X times x squared gives x cubed, x times 3x gives 3x squared, and so on. We do the same for the second part with the number 2. Now we have a long string of terms. The final step is to combine like terms. We have one x cubed term. We combine 3x squared and 2x squared to get 5x squared. We combine x and 6x to get 7x. The constant 2 stays as is. This gives us our final answer. Things get a bit trickier with negative numbers. Let's look at x minus 3 multiplied by a trinomial. The most important thing to remember is that the negative sign belongs to the 3. When we split the binomial, we must carry that negative sign with the 3. As we distribute, that negative 3 changes the signs of the terms it multiplies. Negative 3 times x squared is negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times negative 2x becomes positive 6x. Be very careful here. Finally, we group our like terms again to find the final simplified polynomial. To summarize, first, split the binomial. Second, distribute each term to the entire trinomial. Third, pay close attention to positive and negative signs. And finally, always combine your like terms to get the simplest form of the answer.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.